Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Nokia G60. Firstly, you need to find and open Play Store on both devices. Then type in Send Anywhere in the search bars and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to operate the Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then open it on Nokia and do exactly the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola and Receive at the bottom next to Send on your Nokia. Now you need to tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and click on Send over here next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then send them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo, only for example. Click on Send and tap on Got It. Now on Nokia, click on the best option for you, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window. As you can see, finally we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here before it expires. We have a lot of time though. And then select Receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, select this scanning icon on Nokia above User Guide and tap on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. Now we need to point your Nokia's camera at this QR code and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, after that, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!